10 Best Honeymoon Destination Around the Globe. Here we can term honeymoon as a centuries-old tradition that was celebrated by newlywed couples drinking mead on the first moon after their nuptials. As times evolved, couples started looking at honeymoon destinations as a place where they might unwind from wedding stress and get to know each other a little better. The abstinence posed by the recent pandemic further compelled the notion of making the best of every moment and celebrating life as an extended honeymoon. In this write-up, we answer your quest for the best place to honeymoon destination in 2023 to 2024. We can find more Place at USA. Most of these are approved by tourism experts and travelholics. So here are the top 10 honeymoon destinations that have earned a name for offering once-in-a-lifetime kind of experiences. In this video, I will tell you the top 10 best honeymoon destinations around the globe in 2023 to 2024. So like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our uploads. And of course, today's video is brought to you by Tripidabido.com, the premier platform for booking tours and activities in this city, and is the proud sponsor of this video. Interested in traveling, click the link in the description below. 10. Japan. If Japan is on your list of places to visit, then planning your honeymoon in Japan can be a great idea. The world-famous cherry blossom trees are a sight to behold while strolling through parks or even the streets of Japan. The cities have shrines and temples, which are calm and peaceful places to visit, and they showcase the traditional ways of Japanese architecture and rich culture. Some of the best things you can do in Japan are travel in bullet trains, try unique restaurants like robots and cat cafes, eat famous foods like sushi and ramen, bathe in hot springs, visit Snow Monkey Park, and try on or buy traditional dresses like kimonos and samurai suits. 9. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka lies just beneath the border of India. It's an island famous for big tea plantations, temples, rich biodiversity, beaches, and lush green natural areas. The presence of wildlife is showcased via national parks and sanctuaries. Honeymoon couples love to spend their time on Sri Lankan beaches, which have white sands. Among the vast options, balloon rides can be a romantic option to see the greenery beneath and the sun from the air. 8. Fiji. Escaping the crowds of cities and going away from the stress of work to enjoy the beaches and luxury hotels, Fiji sounds like the best place to choose. Extravagant hotels provide great service and have lush green views with oceanic scenery. Attend the kava ceremony to interact with locals and get to know their culture. Scuba diving, snorkeling, ziplining, paddleboarding, and helicopter rides are some of the fun and popular things to try here. They have a wide variety of food options, which have roots in their history as well. Small villages in Fiji are a great attraction to experience their traditional ways of living. 7. Turkey. If your preference is hot air balloons and you love historical destinations, Turkey is the best to opt for. Cappadocia is a place near Turkey's capital and is famous for balloon rides and amazing sunrise views while floating in the skies, along with views of hills on the ground. There are numerous places to visit, such as landmarks, monuments, historical architecture, like the remains of Troy and Apollon Temple, castles and museums to learn about the rich history of Turks. 6. Bali. This place is surely among the most soothing destinations for a honeymoon. It's economical and has the best scenic views while roaming around with your partner. Once known as the Isle of the Gods, it still justifies the title with greenery, beaches, crystal clear water bodies, resorts, and villas. A perfect blend of natural and man-made accommodations to create picture-perfect memories for your visits. Nature in Bali isn't only limited to the greenery, but also has a lot of varieties of birds and animals which you can visit in sanctuaries. An extra benefit of Bali is the presence of yoga learning and practicing sites, which in turn provide you with an experience of connecting with yourself and forgetting about the world while you are on your honeymoon. A touch of spirituality leads you to the culture of Bali, which acts as a magnet for many people around the world.